Hey guys, so today I have another video for you guys, and I am doing how beauty gurus do makeup. So this video is inspired by the trends we're ditching videos that are coming out. It's a little bit of a spin on it, my spin, and it's definitely inspired by Jackie Aina. She started the whole trends we're ditching trend. And disclaimer, if you do any of these things, then it's okay. I do some of these things too because I learned my makeup tricks from beauty gurus, so I mean, we're not judging here, we're just having a bit of fun. Let's just get into the video. Okay, now that we're zoomed in a little bit closer, we're gonna start this video. But before that, I never even mentioned that I got a haircut, but I did, so I'm just gonna prime my skin like I usually do with a pore filling primer, very beauty guru thing to do. And then you just blend all that dimethicone into your skin and silicones so you can clog your pores. And now we get to the real tea. Okay. Foundation. Foundation. I have seen this countless times on Instagram, but people, I mean beauty gurus, really go in. And somehow their skin is still perfect. I don't even know. Maybe it's a skincare, like I really don't know. But then you have to blend all this stuff out. I don't even know how. So after that is concealer. Now, you know exactly what I'm gonna do. Yes. This is a highlighting concealer because they also go in with really light concealers too, so. And then you go in with a full coverage concealer. I mean, no wonder you can't blend it out. I'm not gonna forget about this, the nose, and then try to blend this mess out. I don't even know how. And now, if that wasn't enough, we're going to take a bunch of loose powder. You know exactly what I'm about to do. A bunch of loose powder and make our under eyes as dry as a Sahara Desert. Okay? Like, okay, if you say the rest of your face with powder because you get oily, like I do, I really get oily. I understand. But do your under eyes really? Do they really need this much powder? Next is eyes. Okay, honestly, beauty gurus are really good at doing eyeshadow, and I'm not that good at doing eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take some bronzer and put it in my crease. Just to, you know, complete the look, you know. Because we need a complete look here. But one thing that I don't like about the eyes, first thing, this contraption. I mean, I know people have straight lashes, but like every single day you want to use this contraption on your eyelashes. And then before and after falsies, you go in with mascara, right? I'm not gonna be putting on false lashes today because you know how that went before. So, one coat of mascara, okay, one coat on each eye. Well, no, they have to be clumpy, you know? It's spider and clump city up in here, okay? I think it's time. It's almost, actually, we'll just leave the bake for a little bit more because, you know, Sahara Desert situation isn't done yet. Okay, so next is contour. Oh, taking any object and going in. And I mean going in. How are you gonna blend that out? Did you think about that ahead of time? How? Don't forget the forehead, the temples, the forehead, you know. Like, no wonder your contour is muddy. And then, and the lines inside over here. What else? Oh, the tip of the nose. Underneath here. Underneath the lip. The chin. Jawline. Jawline. Okay, you are not snatched. You just played in a pile of mud, okay? This is not snatched. And if this is snatched, then I don't want to be snatched, okay? Now, before we take off our bake, you know, the contour isn't enough, so we have to cut our contour too. Because, you know, it has to be even sharper. Is it just me, or my under eyes are way too bright? This is why you need an eye cream at night. This is why. This is exactly why. After all that work, that doesn't look that bad actually, but still. Excessive. And then, you know, you have to powder the whole face too. And do you see that? Because I put down so much foundation. It's settling into my fine lines, and it's creating wrinkles on my face. We're just gonna dust that off too. Bronzer. Who does not like a bit of bronzer? They go in over their contour. I'm currently looking like a snatched, burnt piece of toast. You know, the look everybody's going for. We got the look going. Okay, so now, blush. I mean, I don't think a lot of beauty gurus do this, honestly. I haven't seen a lot. I mean, I think beauty gurus use blush pretty well, but sometimes they take an excess and nude blush, so it kind of just mixes in with your bronzer. So, put on the nude blush. Looks kind of like bronzer, but it's still blush. Like, no wonder you need to blend out with another brush after this. No wonder. Highlights, my favorite. Now, I just want to get this straight. Are you trying to glow from inside, look dewy, look wet, or are you trying to audition for the Tin Man? I really don't even know anymore. Then the tip of the nose, you have to really get to the bridge. The bridge, you know, the forehead. You know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to overline my lip. Here we go. I'm going to do it subtly because sometimes they actually do it pretty well, not gonna lie. I mean, beauty gurus aren't terrible at makeup, let's be real in the end. They do put too much on, but just overline. Yeah, that was way too much, but you know, some people do that, so. Just make the Cupid's bow extra big. And you know what we're gonna do now. The classic concealer lip. The nude lipstick that looks like concealer. When was this all okay? Someone explain to me. I'm shook by how I look right now. Burnt piece of toast. My lips have disappeared into my skin tone. Not only that, but Tin Man glow. Spider lashes. Contoured with a comb. Beauty contraptions. And one more thing. Because we have powdered so much, we need some setting spray to make the skin look less powdery. One thing that I forgot to do. My brows, oh my gosh. Remember, brows on fleek. Now we're just gonna do a classic blocky brow, you know. And then, you know, to blend it out, we're gonna take our spoolie as usual. Can't believe I forgot to do this. Oh, I'm ruining my makeup. Oh no! I have to blend that out. And there we go. That's it. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I forgot to do my brows. I had to do those before I ended this video, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a good laugh. I hope it was relatable. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video by actually clicking the like button. Subscribe. My social media will be down below as usual. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't believe I do this stupid stuff. Bye!